2012 में जुलाई में पेपर हुआ था नर्सिंग रिसर्च और स्टैटिस्टिक्स का, वह पढ़ेंगे हम। Method of review of literature. A literature review is synthesis of literature on the topic. The review of literature depend upon type of the information to seek depth and breadth of coverage, type of the researcher, quantitative and qualitative source of the research, the method of research. Literature review is following the literature such as identification of important publications, searching potential search, reading relevance, literature use of critical thinking and critical reading skills, understand the relevance information, preliminary understand comprehensive, understand analysis, understand anesthesia, understand recording the relevance, literature finding more, literature manual online, supporting the literature review dependent upon size of the literature and limitation planned, communicating the review of literature in first part and second part of the theory. Non-probability sampling techniques, sampling method that do not use sample with no probability of selected selected are collect a non-probability sampling techniques. In this technique, sample element are selected or chosen by non-random method. Type of the non-probability sampling: convenience, accidental sampling, purpose, judgmental sampling, snowball, voluntary, event, time, expand, diversity, theoretical. Disadvantage or advantage. Disadvantage क्या है? It is a less likely to purpose accurate and representative sample. This approach is subject to be base of researcher and participant, and the available subject must to typical of the population of interest. Result cannot be generated by your term. Non-probability sample are raised and carried to cheaper to defend our probability sample. In same carrier purpose when the focus is on the sample itself. In techniques provide adequate number of participants, such as in conducting research on HIV patient. In some case this may be only feasible. Some example on homogeneous people's experimental research design. Experimental research design is method in which conducting or control one or more variables are multipled to test hypotheses and allow evaluation of the cost relationships among variables. Will all our variables are the limited or control. The main function of the experimental research design to control variables. The principles of maximum synthesis: variables control external systemic variables, minimize error variables to ensure internal and external validity of the study. Type of the experiment research design are: one short case study design, one group post test design. फिर ऐसे करके इसको निकालना है. Utilization of research finding. Research utilization means to make use of research in clinical. It is a systematic process by which research-based knowledge used into practices. Purpose of the research utilization: application of the available knowledge to improve patient outcome, validation of the extending nursing procedure and intervention. Important of research utilization in clinical setting: in for researcher, for healthcare agency, for nursing profession. Some of the criteria for research utilization in clinic setting are: सबसे पहले क्लिनिकल सेटिंग में क्या आता है? इट प्रमोट क्लिनिकल थिंकिंग इन इनहेंस प्रोफेशनल सेल्फ कंसेप्ट, इन इंश्योर सेल्फ एंड reference practices, enrich nurse self confidence. It researcher is validate research effect in reinforce professional accountability. It help in cover new clinical problem for investigation. It provide motivate for new skill to continuous discover new knowledge for health care agency. It promote cost effective nursing care, enhance high quality nursing care, improve health outcome performance, professional instant and stimulate nursing staff for nursing professional. It illness practices outcome. It created positive professional images. It strongly professional images. It expand nursing scientific knowledge base. Some of the criteria: nursing utilization, clinical setting, unity of nursing application to practices, reliability, client safety, flexibility. अब क्या है, 5 लिखना है. पॉपुलेशन क्या होती है, सैम्पल क्या होता है, इंस्ट्रूमेंट टूल क्या होता है, रिलायबिलिटी, प्रोबेबिलिटी और स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन और मीन्स. तो सबसे पहले पॉपुलेशन इज़ एंटायर सेट. ये क्या होता है, एंटायर सेट ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल और ऑब्जेक्टिव हैविंग सम कॉमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, ऑल आर एन इन द स्टेट ऑफ राजस्थान. Sample is subject of population. Select to participant in study. Instrument या tool. Instrument is the device used to collect data. Quaternary, a test, observation, schedule, etc. Reliability, it is a degree of consistency or dependability with which in instrument measure the articulate. It is rigidity to measure. or probability means in each person has equal chances of being select in the sample. in involve random selection of the element for a population. Standard deviation, it is a most frequently used standard for measuring the degree of variability in a set of the square. means a descriptive standard that is a measure of the center's tendency computed by summing all square and division by the number of objectives. means फिर इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है 30. फिर इसका क्या करना है, फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ टेबल्स, कलेक्ट द मीन एंड मोड. मिड पॉइंट निकालना पड़ेगा पहले. मिड पॉइंट निकालेंगे तो मिड पॉइंट मैंने बताया तो दोनों के बीच का क्या हो गया 47. तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा 42, इसमें 33, 30, ऐसे करके फिर दोनों को इंटू कर देंगे. फिर क्या करेंगे, मीन कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए जो हमारे पास जोड़ेंगे किसको, एफ एक्स को जोड़ेंगे तो 960 है और टोटल कितने 30 है. दोनों को जोड़ेंगे तो 32 आ गया. मोड पूछा है तो मोड इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन फ्रीक्वेंसी. सबसे ज़्यादा क्या आया हुआ है, तो 29 5 टाइम आया हुआ है. कितनी टाइम आया हुआ है, 5 टाइम आया हुआ है. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे, 2 संख्या दी हुई ना, तो मीन का फॉर्मूला होता है. मीन का तो वो फॉर्मूला होता है n प्लस n/2 माइनस CF/F इंटू H. हाँ, ये ऐसा ही है, थोड़ा सा इसमें अलग लिख दिया इन्होंने, बाकी ऐसा ही है. लोअर लिमिट ऑफ बाउंड्री फ्रीक्वेंसी क्लास इंटरवल, ऐसे करके इसको निकाल लेंगे. ये अपना पेपर ख़त्म हुआ. थैंक यू सो मच.